Well, now, we haven't done one of these in a while, have we? It's been far too long, actually. Yeah. Hammering out processes. Hammering out processes is like playing around a golf. If you're really, really good at it because you know absolutely everything there is to know about golf, which I don't think anybody in existence ever knows everything about golf. But if you know, like, if you're professional, like if you're Tiger fucking Woods and you go on the golf course, there are still days where the golf course is going to kick your butt. This is a really big butt. On those summer days with just like a wafting cool breeze, just wafting cool breeze, with the sun just over the horizon, on the bottom of like 17th hole, standing up to the tee blocks with the driver, is one of the best feelings ever. Because you've got experience behind you, you've got skill behind you, you've got practice behind you, you've got the right club, it's a beautiful day, and you're enjoying yourself. I think that is like dealing with process. Why? Because there are days where you stand up the tee block with your driver on that beautiful, gorgeous day and you slice the living shit out of it. And guess what? It goes into the water hole. And now you're down a stroke, and now you're pissed off, and now you're frustrated, and you think about breaking the club. But what do? You might break the club, but you're still going to walk back up the tee block with another ball, and you're going to hit another ball, because you still got the whole hole to finish. That is also process development. Because you got to hit the ball 1,000 times on 1,000 days for 1,000 years, what it feels like anyway, before you get really good at it. Or you can hit 10,000 balls on 1,000 days, which actually isn't that many, on 1,000 days, and get better at it. Or you said 100,000. You get my point? It's what process is. You got to hammer. Over and over and over again. You got to do it until you can't do it anymore, and then you do it some more anyway. Because you get those processes refined down to nice, tidy little simple steps, and you give it to somebody new that you spent hours and time and money hiring, and you give this person a nice, tidy little packet for their new hire onboarding, their equipment, their gear, the stuff that makes them feel like they're warm and welcome, and they sit down at their desk and they can pop off production within minutes. It's so wonderful. That's HR process. That's new hire process. That could be new client process. It's so wonderful.